Hi, in this video, we will learn about top 3 objectives where refineries around the world are using CompaBlock technology. These objectives are to debottleneck, to increase profitability, and to improve sustainability. Let's learn more in detail. To debottleneck, no refinery process unit runs perfectly all the time, and hence, process engineers are constantly striving to improve process reliability and to push throughput. However, some of the common challenges which process engineers face can be solved using CompaBlock technology. They are heating cooling limitations. For example, heater capacity is limited, so instead of doing a heater modification, we can improve heat exchange in feed preheat network. Hydraulic limitations. For example, high pressure drop in overhead condenser. Using CompaBlock technology, we can reduce pressure drop by almost half. Space limitation. For example, plot space is limited to add more heat transfer area. We can fit a CompaBlock with 50,000 square feet of shell and tube equivalent heat transfer area in a plot space of just 7 by 7 feet. Fouling. For example, hot end of crude preheat train is fouled. Due to high shear stress in CompaBlock, we can minimize fouling. Corrosion. Say for example, crude overhead condenser. Upgrading to exotic metallurgy with CompaBlock becomes economic alternative to mitigate corrosion. Second top objective of using CompaBlock technology is to increase profitability of a greenfield or a revamp project. Energy savings or increasing efficiency is a very good example of improving profitability. For example, size of a heater in a naphtha hydrotreater can be reduced by 40% by improving heat exchange in combined feed effluent exchanger before the heater. Less maintenance. For example, longer run length between cleaning and increased production. Pushing more throughput in the same plot space could be a good example of increasing profitability. Lower investment cost. Of course, with CompaBlock technology, total installed cost many times is just 1/3 that of a shell and tube. And with higher efficiency, we can even downsize surrounding equipments like heaters, air coolers, product coolers, reboilers, etc. And in most cases, not just project ROI can be improved significantly by lowering capital expenditure, but also reduce utility consumption like cooling water, steam, natural gas, and electricity. And that leads us to the third important objective, improving sustainability. Most refineries are taking steps on improving sustainability more than ever before. And in this journey, CompaBlock technology can support at least in two sustainability goals. That is, to reduce emission and reduce utility consumption. I'll share a couple examples here. For example, debutanizer overhead condenser, where condensation happens very close to cooling water temperature. With CompaBlock, we can achieve crossing temperature in a single unit and significantly reduce cooling water consumption by almost 30 to 35%. Another example could be to reduce emission with CompaBlock technology. We can achieve an internal pinch of 10 degree F in a naphtha hydrotreater combined feed effluent exchanger as compared to a traditional 40 to 50 degree F pinch with a shell and tube heat exchanger technology. That actually means we are reducing fuel consumption by reducing the duty of a heater by almost 30 to 40%. That also means less emissions. So, whether your objective is to debottleneck a process unit or increase profitability or to improve sustainability, CompaBlock technology can be a good tool to achieve your objectives. In coming videos, we will learn in more detail how to apply CompaBlock technology to achieve these objectives. Thank you for watching.